Hello everyone. So in last two videos, what we saw get request, post request, and delete request, but we didn't see about put request. Put request generally they used to develop to update any details in the database. Okay, suppose so we have created users, right? Suppose you created users and you want to change the name of that user. So at that time, what you will do, because post request will create new record in the DB, but it will not update the existing one. To update existing one, so what developer has done, they have created this request. Okay, put request. See, they have created this request and they have given like path variable id, and id you need to pass for which id you want to update the details, and in body you need to provide the details of the user, just the required information which and all you want to update. Okay, so here what developers has done, developers have given two parameter. You can update these two parameters like name and date of birth. You can easily update and you can pass those two values. So we should not be bothered about this just our job is to whatever API developers will provide, just use that and try to update the information based on the requirement. Okay, now let me start this application, Spring Boot application. uh, just a second, it will get started. Yeah, perfect. So now we'll go and we'll see how many users are there. Yeah, see, we have one user. Okay, and the name of that user is Little Help by KR and dash one. Okay, so now also we should check it in DB. Okay, H2 database, test the connection and connect it and select the list from the users. Okay, now see, the date of birth is 2020-05-23T. Okay, now, and the name is Little Help by KR and dash one. Okay, so now our intention in to update the value. Okay, suppose now we are going to change the name and date of birth. First we'll change the name. Okay, we can change both at a time also. So okay, let me go and get the put request. See here what we have done. We have given this base URL, then we have given this resource. So let me check the resource. So resource is user and ID, and path variable is ID. Okay, so this is the resource and this is the ID. So this ID does not exist, right? ID, what ID we have in list? We saw like ID only one user is there, right? So for this user I want to update the name. So name, what shall I give? Name we should give suppose Sachin. Okay, and date of birth is 24 5th 26th, I think, or 24th. Okay, so we'll update this. Okay, for which user? The user which is having ID 1. Okay, now we hit that. So see, in response we got ID is equal to 1, name is equal to this, and this is like date of birth what we have provided over here. So now when we'll go and get this user, okay, result. See now after getting, we are getting one user and that details got updated over here, right? So parallelly we go and check in DV whether those changes came or not. See, with ID 1 this information got updated. Okay, so this is what the put request is. The intention of put request is to update the existing details. Okay, so user was already existing over here, so it has updated the name accordingly. So now what we'll do, we'll add few users over here. Okay, so earlier we were having only one, so now we'll hit one. See now one user got created with ID 5 and name is like Little Help by KR3. Okay, now when we'll hit this, we got how many users? We got two users, right? Let me add one more. Okay, with 7. Just hold on, this is body, that was response. So 7, will make this also 7, will make this 7, 7, 7. Okay, and let others like this only. Okay, so we are sending this. So now see, with id 8 it got created. Okay, and this is like all the details. So when we'll hit user this get all users, so we have one user with id 1, another user with id 5, little help by kr, and this one is with id 8 and little help by kr, this is 7. So now we have currently 3 users. Okay, so we want to update the details of any existing user whose id is anything, like suppose the available user, suppose we want to update the details of this user. Okay, so id 5. So what we have to do, we have to go to the put request, and we just, instead of 1 we will give id 5. Now in id 5 we want to change the name, suppose Mahesh. Oh, we made it Mahesh, and 01 0101. Okay, now we change these details and we'll hit this. Okay, we'll see what is happening. So see, for id 5 this name got updated and this date of birth got updated. So we'll go in db and check. Okay, when I'll run this, so for id 5, see, date of birth got updated, mahesh mahesh name got updated, and when we'll go here, earlier what was there, see, this was the result. This is for 5, for which one we updated, for 5 only. Okay, so now when we'll hit this again, in response we will get the updated one. See, 5, for 5 it got updated to Mahesh and date of birth is to this one. Okay, so this is what the intention of put request. Yeah, that's it from this video. Thank you guys.